Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 10th lesson of D3, chapter number 1, exercise 1D, that is about application of quadratic equation in real world. In this lesson, I will solve intermediate level question number 14. Let's read the question first. It's really important to read and underline important terms of the question. Question says, Rui Feng and Janvi represented their class in a 10-kilometer race. In 10-kilometer race, they started running at the same speed of x kilometer per hour. After 2 kilometers, Rui Fyong increased the speed by 1 kilometer per hour and ran the remaining distance at the constant speed of x plus 1 kilometer per hour. And Jan V maintained his speed of x kilometer per hour throughout the race. First part of the question is write down an expression in terms of x for the time taken by Rui Fyong to complete the race. It's really important to understand that the question is for the speed, distance and time. So we should have the command on the formulas. Speed equals to distance traveled upon time taken. Time equals to distance upon speed. And for the solution of this quadratic equation, we should have a command either on the hit and trial method or the quadratic formula. Second important thing is that we should know that the conversion of minutes into hours, 1 minute will be equal to 1 over 60 hours. Let's move to the solution of question. Okay, the question says that two people are running a 10-kilometer race. 10-kilometer race. Total distance is 10 kilometers. Now let's see the question once again. And 10-kilometer race, they started running at the same speed of x kilometer per hour. The initial speed is x kilometer per hour. Okay, after 2 kilometers, after covering 2 kilometers out of 10 kilometers, the remaining distance with us is 8 kilometers. What happened? That Rui Fyong increased his speed by 1 kilometer per hour and ran the remaining distance at the constant speed of x plus 1 kilometer per hour. So for first 2 kilometers, Janvi's speed is x kilometers per hour, and for the next 8 kilometers, his speed is x plus 1 kilometer per hour. So first part of the question says that we have to write an expression in terms of x. Time taken by Rui Fyong. Time taken by Rui Fyong will be 2 over x plus 8 over x plus 1. This will be the expression for the time taken by Rui Fyong to complete the race. And the second part says that given that Rui Fyong completed the race 40 minutes earlier than Janvi, formulate an equation and show that it reduces to x square plus x minus 12 equal to 0. Here it's important to understand that what will be the expression for the speed of Janvi, as Janvi is moving with the constant speed x kilometer per hour. So for Janvi, the expression for the time will be 10 over x, distance upon speed. Now the question says that Rui Fyong has completed the race 40 minutes. 40 minutes will be equal to how many hours? 40 minutes will be equal to 40 by 60 hours, or 4 by 6, which is equal to 2 by 3 hours. Now as the Rui Fyong has completed the journey 40 minutes early, so it means he has taken less time. So according to condition, what equation will be formed? According to condition, 10 over x minus 2 over x plus 8 over x plus 1 will be equal to 2 by 3 hours. Now we have to solve this equation. We have to first solve the left hand side of the equation. 10 over x minus 2 by x minus 8 over x plus 1 equal to 2 by 3. And now 10 minus 2 will give me 8 over x minus 8 over x plus 1 equal to 2 by 3. In order to frame the equation, I have to solve this fraction by taking the LCM, and LCM of this equation will be x into x plus 1. And now what we can do, we can take 8 from the numerator as a common factor, and as the LCM is x into x plus 1 but the denominator is x, so it has the deficiency of x plus 1, and the second fraction has x plus 1 in the denominator. It has a deficiency of x minus x equal to 2 by 3. X can go with this x and I will left with 8 upon x into x plus 1 equal to 2 by 3. Now what we have to do, we have to go for the cross multiplication. 3 multiplied by 8 equal to 2 into x plus 1. 2 and 8 can be simplified. So what I can do, I can simplify this. 2 ones are and 2 fours are, and 3 times 4 is 12 equal to x into x plus 1. Let's move to this side, and now the equation will take the form x into x plus 1 equal to 12, or x square plus x equals to 12, or I have to shift this 12 to other side, plus x minus 12 equal to 0. If we look at the question says show that the equation reduces to x square plus x minus 12 equals to 0, which is the required equation. Now let's move to the next part of the question that says solve the equation. In order to solve this equation, x square plus x minus 12 equal to 0, either we can go with the quadratic formula or we can go with the hit and trial method. If you find any difficulty in understanding the hit and trial method, I'll give the link in the description box and you can watch the lesson from there for the better understanding of lesson. Now if I multiply 12 with the coefficient of square term, that gives me 12 as the product with minus sign. Factors of 12 that can give me 1 and minus 12 at the same time are 4 and 3. 4 with positive sign and 3 with negative sign. So the equation will take the form x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 equal to 0. Now make the groups of like terms, and from each group take some letter or number as a common factor. From the first group I can take x out, and inside the bracket I will have x into x plus 4. Coming to the second bracket, I can pull out minus 3, and inside the bracket I will left with x plus 4 equal to 0. Now x plus 4 is the common group. Extract it out, pull it out. X plus 4 into x minus 3 equal to 0. Now apply either our condition, either x plus 4 equal to 0, and this gives me x equals to minus 4, or x minus 3 equal to 0. This gives me x is equal to 3. As x is the speed of the question, so x cannot be negative, so this is the rejected answer, and positive answer will be the accepted answer. So I hope you are clear about that why we are rejecting this negative value. Next part says, hence find the time taken by Ruifang to complete the race. Give your answer in hours and minutes. Coming to the third part of the question, fourth part of the question that says time taken by Ruifang. If we look at the starting expression, this is the expression for the time taken by Ruifang. Time taken by Ruifang is 8 over x 2 over x plus 8 over x plus 1. Now replace x by 3 and this will become 2 by 3 plus 8 over 3 plus 1. This is equal to 2 by 3 plus 8 by 4, which can be equivalent to 2 by 3 plus 2, 4 ones are and 4 twos are, and my time will be equal to 2 whole 2 by 3 but hours. Now I have to convert these 2 by 3 hours to minutes. So as I know that 1 hour has 60 minutes, so I will be multiplying this 2 by 3 hours with 60. 3 ones are 3, 20 times are, and 20 multiplied by 2 is 40. So the time will be 2 hours and 40 minutes. 40 minutes. So this is the time taken by Rui Feng to complete the journey. Time taken by Rui Feng to complete the journey is 2 hours and 40 minutes. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.